In the corporate world, mastering English communication is a crucial skill. No matter what position you hold, having a strong command of English can offer you many advantages because mastering corporate English allows you to communicate effectively with your colleagues and clients. This reduces misunderstandings and ensures tasks are completely effectively and correctly because a strong command of English gives you a professional image, and who don't want that while doing work in corporate they should be appreciated and their professionalism should always be up to the mark, and it makes you appear real confident, and people are more likely to take your opinions seriously. And if your English is strong, you can work on international projects and with global clients because it opens up many opportunities for your career growth. Now let's talk about how mastering corporate English can uplift your career because in most companies today they expect their employees to have excellent English skills. With strong English, you will have more job opportunities available for you. You know that when we have good communication skills, it often leads to higher salary packages because when you can communicate effectively, you have great negotiation skills, and it is very important for their organizations to hire such effective and efficient employers that are very beneficial for the organization. And when you master corporate English, it helps you in a leadership roles because leaders need to guide and motivate their teams effectively, which is not possible when you don't have good communication skills. But when you have good communication skills, you will be getting an opportunity to become a leader. And I think becoming a leader is always a big responsibility. Effective communications helps you build better networks. These networks can help you find new opportunities and grow in your careers. Now you guys might be wondering that you also want to master your corporate English and want to really get appreciated in your work, but you don't have correct guidance or correct way. So you don't need to worry anymore because now our organization AKPIS is starting their new batch of corporate English from this 4th December, and your mentor will be Mrs. Amanpreet Kaur ma'am, who have already scored 9 bands in their IELTS, and she will be giving you guidance and she will be teaching you towards your career goals. So for what you are waiting for, enroll now to get succeed in your corporate world. For more details regarding this course, you can contact us at the below mentioned details. Our team will be there to guide and assist you further. And if you really found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel along with our all social media platforms.